Tecnalia proudly presents the first European analyzer. GPON Doctor 8000 is a multi-layer GPON protocol analyzer capable of detecting, identifying, analyzing and describing upstream and downstream problems within FTTH networks. Problems generated during the multiplexing process, collisions, signal level degradation, GTC problems caused by the ONUs and OLTs, and even more. GPON Doctor 8000 allows us to identify OMCI level problems. Everything in just one click, managed through a user-friendly and easy-to-use tactile interface. GPON Doctor 8000 has a main screen where all available information is summarized, and subsequent screens with details on the topology, the line status, the list of captured frames, the filters that can be applied to that list, and even the possibility of selecting one of these captured frames in order to obtain detailed information about it. On the OMCI screen, it is possible to select one frame to obtain further details. The ONU status screen allows us to see the most relevant parameters, those set up during the negotiation phase, assigned TCONs, and the GEM ports used. On the OMCI screen, we'll find information about the entities generated, and by selecting one of them, we can see detailed information about their attributes, their details, alarms, and possible errors detected. GPON Doctor 8000 automatically generates reports by analyzing ITU G984X standard compliance and presents all possible anomalies, errors and problems detected during the capture. Tecnalia presents the multi-layer GPON protocol analyzer, GPON Doctor 8000. Capture, analyze and evaluate in just one click.